Hey there, folks. In this video, we're going to complete the last sheet, or at least parts of it. Okay? In order to make things go a little bit quicker, I have pre-filled in some portions of it. Okay? Here, since we're trying to find the length of the arc in radians, I have the formula here for us. It's the measure of the angle over 2 pi times 2r. So what I have here is 3 pi over 4, and 12 is the radius. So I've already filled that in. Now, the pi's in the fraction are going to cancel out. Okay? So all I have to do is do 3/4 divided by 2 times 2 times 12. So I get out my handy-dandy calculator here. Okay? In order to enter my fractions properly, I'm going to use parentheses. So 3/4 divided by 2 times 2 times 12. That tells me that is 9. So my answer is 9 pi. And then because it's length, this is yards. The next one, they want area. So it's the angle over 2 pi times the area formula, pi r squared. Because remember, this is a fraction of the circle's area. So I'm going to put pi over 2 pi times 7 squared. Now again, these pi's are going to cancel, but there has to be something on top of this fraction. So that something is going to be a 1. Okay, so parentheses 1/2, then divided by 2 times 7 squared. Make that a fraction. So we get the area of the sector is 49 pi over 4, in this case, then square meters. The next section, the next two sections, they just want us to convert from degrees to radians. So there's my formula. Now again, to save a little bit of time, I've pre-completed the formula. Okay? Since these are degrees, I'm just going to plug that in for d. And now I'm just going to cross multiply and divide, knowing that my answer will likely have pi in it. So negative 30 times pi, then divided by 180. So negative 30 divided by 180. Convert that to a fraction. So I get negative 1/6 pi. In number 7, 15 goes in the d place, so 15 times pi, which I'm just going to keep along for the ride, then divide it by 180. Take that, convert it to a fraction. So it's 1/12. Now the last question in that section. 690 times pi, then divided by 180. So 690 divided by 180. Convert that to a fraction. We get 23/6. And these are radians, so they do not have a symbol with them. Now in the next section, we're converting from degrees, we're converting from radians to degrees, so this number goes in the radian position. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to type this into my calculator, but I'm going to omit pi because when I cross multiply and divide, this has a pi, but I'm going to divide by pi. So they're going to cancel out anyways. So here we go. I'm just going to type this in. 19 divided by 18 times 180 is 190 degrees because the pi's canceled. Same thing here with pi over 3. Pi over 180 equals pi over 3. Now, like I said, the pi's cancel, so there's going to be a 1 on above that 3. So, parentheses, 1 over 3. And then times 180. Okay, dividing, and we would be dividing by pi, but like I said, we canceled those. So pi over 3 is equal to 60 degrees. The last fraction, okay, who cares that it's negative? Negative 14 pi over 9. Whoops. So, parentheses, negative 14 over 9 times 180 is equivalent to 280 degrees. Negative 280 degrees. Okay? I have just completed all of the evens. It's now up to you guys to take care. I've completed all of the odds. It's up to you guys to take care of the evens on your own. So, I hope this helps some, and have a good rest of your day.